We have got lots and lots of new things, and we have got lot and lot of interesting things to read about them. And you can see this beautiful bird feeding on. Definitely, we cannot have a bird so calmly sitting and feeding on until we grow it on home. So it's really a very adaptive pet. Only thing I am missing it, I have to find out the other two one on that name. I will lacho something a big kind of lizard, a color changing lizard. We can take it like that way. In the future videos, I will say the name, and the name will be on the title and the description. So on that you can watch it out.